Hello students, let's start the chapter number 7, Landmarks of the World. So before starting this chapter, I hope all are completed the previous chapter from 1 to 6. Now come to the chapter number 7, Landmarks of the World. There are so many beautiful places to see in the world. Whether it is a natural wonder or an architectural site, every place is definitely among the most recognizable in the world. Look here, some pictures of landmarks of the world. Write the names of these landmarks. Number 1, one of the most famous bridges located in New York City that took 14 years to complete. And this bridge name is Brooklyn Bridge. The spell of Brooklyn Bridge is Brookyn, Brooklyn, Bridge, Bridge. Number 2, the famous church in Moscow in Russia, nearly 450 years old, and this church name is St. Basil's Cathedral. St. Basil, Basil's, Cathedral, Cathedral, St. Basil's Cathedral. Number 3, the longest wall in the world, and this landmark name is Great Wall of China. Great, Great, WALL, Wall, OF of CHINA, China, Great Wall of China. Now, number 4, a famous temple in Cambodia and the largest religious monument in the world, and this landmark name is Angkor Wat. ANGKOR, Angkor, WAT, Wat. Number 5, massive stone structures built 5,000 years ago and surely Britain's greatest national icon, and this landmark name is Stonehenge. STONE, Stone, HENGE, Henge, Stonehenge. Now number 6, most distinguished landmark in Arizona, which is indeed a very big hole in the ground with steep and rocky walls, and this landmark name is the Great Canyon. The GREAT, Great, and CANYON, Canyon. Number 7, it is a freestanding bell tower of the cathedral of an Italian city and known for its tilt, and this landmark name is Leaning Tower of Pisa. LEANING, Leaning, TOWER, Tower, OF of PISA, Pisa, Leaning Tower of Pisa. Now next, 8, a limestone statue of a creature with a lion's body and a human head stands on Giza, and this landform name is Great Sphinx. GREAT, Great, SPHINX, Sphinx, Great Sphinx. 9th number, a 102-story skyscraper located in New York City, which has appeared in over 90 movies, and this landmark name is Empire State Building. EMPIRE, Empire, STATE, State, BUILDING, Building, Empire State Building. Now, number 10, New York's most popular tourist attraction, a gift from France to America, that represents Libertas, the Roman goddess of freedom, and this landmark name is the Statue of Liberty. THE, the STATUE, statue of LIBERTY, liberty, the Statue of Liberty. Number 11, most visited monument located in Paris, France, built by Gustave Eiffel to celebrate the 100th year anniversary for the French Revolution, and this landmark name is Eiffel Tower. EIFFEL, Eiffel, TOWER, Tower, Eiffel Tower. And the last, number 12, London's most famous landmark. It is the nickname for the Great Bell of the Clock at the North India of the places of Westminster. And this landmark name is Big Ben. BIG, Big, BEN, Ben, Big Ben. Okay students, you have to learn and write all the landmarks which is given in your book. Till then, have a nice day.